Hello, welcome to Spy Money. What a day today. $42,450. Let's take a look at the spreadsheet. So when you add all this up, the number of trades we had and such, that is going to bring us down. Let's get this a little bigger. If we traded this way every day, it'd be $9.6 million. That's after we pay Apex their fees and all that. So great day, just another great day. So let's go over. Um, I had to update my bot today, and there was I was doing a trial, or actually not a trial, but some testing on an update before I released it to make sure it was fine, and it had a few glitches on it. So some of my trades in this morning were not the best, but we ended up coming out of it. I was actually down at one point and then come back up, and then I kept changing on the bot. So what I do is I use my bots before I release them to make sure things are right. So I got this one right, and I added some extra features to it as well. As you can see, it's $1,940 here. We're about $2,200 here. So these bots or the accounts were down around $100 or $200, and then I use this bot to bring it out. Now, what kind of updates did I do? Some really good ones actually, and one of them is I put my reversal here. So whenever this comes down and starts trading, when it reverses, it'll exit and then enter another trade. So we made it to where you can turn this on and off right here. A real big one is the manual long entry and short entry. When you like right now, if you see this is going into short, we've got it paused. I'm not trading. We got it paused, but if I saw that this wanted to, go short and I missed this trade, and then all of a sudden I thought, man, I'd love to be in that trade, so I can reach up here and click this button, and it will go ahead and put it in the short. And when it does that, it uses the settings within the bot that you've got programmed in, so your stops and your profit targets and everything will be utilized with that. It doesn't use any of this over here. This is our chart trader. So we can do manually long and manually short. One thing I'm adding, and I'm hoping to have it today, is I'm going to have some exits over here. One will be like exit 1, exit 2, exit 3, and then it will be exit 1 will be 1 contract, exit 2 will be 2 contracts, exit 3 will be, say, 3 or whatever, and the user will be able to decide what they want. So let's say that you're, like I was trading 8 contracts here. If I didn't want to exit all 8, I could have reached over here and clicked like 1, 2, 4, whatever it is I had programmed in here, and I could have exited out, say, 4 and let 2 runners go, which would have been the thing to do. Right now, we can't do that. It's all in or all out. Well, actually, it's with the manual. You're going to be, if you're trading 4 contracts at a time, which is what I was doing. So whenever I enter here, before contracts, I entered 4 more there, and then I exited all 8 here. So we're going to make it to where you can exit a smaller number just by using these buttons over here. It makes it real easy for you. We'll have that update to everybody probably next week. This update is coming out to everybody today with the manual entry. So a lot of people will have a lot of accounts and they want a trade copier to where they can go ahead and trade manually. Well, this one will allow you to do it. You turn the bot on, you pause it, and if you decide that you want the bot to go ahead and start trading as well, you just unpause it, let the bot trade, and then whenever the bot gets in a trade, if you want to add to that position, you can reach over here and do that. So this is a big update for us. So today we are up, like I said, right here, we are up the 4,200 or $42,450 on the 20 accounts. So it's a great day right there. I mean, that's just incredible numbers. And the only thing we did was made a couple $1,000s per account, and I did that trading with the 4 contracts at a time. So I did 4 there, exited out here, 4, exited. We had a losing trade right here. We got out of it quick, and you know what? I closed this one manually, and when I got out, and then it just dropped. But you don't know. This could have kept on going up. So it did really well. How do you get the Ninja Suite? A lot of people ask. Go to SpyMoneyLLC.com. Whenever you go there, then the only thing you have to do is click right here or right up here. So whenever you click on it, it'll open up to another page and it tells you a little bit about it. I went ahead and put the buttons throughout the page to make it easier so you don't have to scroll to the bottom. So if you know you want it, you can just click right here. It'll add it to your shopping cart. A secure shopping cart. We've never had any issues with any credit cards. Right here is a video that you can watch that tells a little bit about it, but really what it amounts to is you get all of the indicators on the website, plus the money ones, what we call it, as the ones only, they're exclusive to the Ninja Suite. You can't get them any other way. These are proprietary to Spy Money, and we put them in here, and as long as you have the lease, you get to use them. As I make more indicators and bots and so forth, you also get those. Right now, today, we're using the SpyBot Scalper. I've used that all week. This is my favorite bot at this point that I like because the entries are a little bit better than the Renko. The Renko does a great job, but the Scalper gets you in a little bit quicker. I have live training. We have a Discord room. In the Discord room, I tell you what bot I'm using, what settings I'm using, when I'm turning it on. If there's talking about the news, I tell you when not to run the bots. I really give a lot of information in the Discord. Customer support is through the roof. I've never had anybody say that I don't give good customer support. I'm always there to help you and try to get you to where you're doing better. If you're struggling a little bit, sometimes I'll remote in and onto your PC and just to help you out to get you going. And I've done that with several people, and it seems like they always get turned around. So you come down through here. It's got some more information about it. All through here, you can click on there to lease it. Now, if you don't have the money for an account with NinjaTrader, you can do a funded account. Apex is long term, your best one, but it takes about 3 months to get your first payment out of there, and then your third, fourth, and fifth month are small amounts, and then on your sixth month you can get all your money. UProfit, if you're looking for something to get you in, to where you can make money quicker to pay for all this stuff, then UProfit is your best one because you can get paid usually within about 5 to 6 weeks. You can have your first check out of there. They'll pay you daily. This one's going to take you minimum 3 months. If you do it today, you can get paid on February 1st if you hit everything correctly. If you don't do it today and you start tomorrow, then it's going to be March 1st before you get your first check. With UProfit, you're going to be in the neighborhood of usually about 5 weeks from the time you start till the time you finish. You can pull out daily, where on Apex is once a month. Earn to trade is the same as UProfit, except you have to trade 15 days, and it takes a little bit longer, and you have a $105 fee per month, where UProfit you don't. Between these two, I like UProfit better. Long term, for something where you can trade a lot of accounts, Apex. That's the one I like. If you click on here, on Apex, you will scroll down, and your coupon code is right here. You can get 50% off right now. So there's your coupon code, and in order to get started. And then if you go into UProfit, when you click on that, it will automatically put your discount in for you. So they've got 30% right now, so your discount's already there. The same with Earn to Trade. Whenever you click on that, it will come down. Let's see here. There's your discount for it. It already puts it in. So as soon as you click on these links, your discount will automatically be in there. If you need to talk to me, go to the contact page. The contact page, put your name information in there. If you need to talk to me, put your phone number. I'd be more than happy to help you out, help you get the right decision where you need to go. Put your time zone in here. I work with a lot of people across the world, a lot of different countries, and I don't know where you are when you say call me. Well, I'm Eastern time, so if you know the Eastern time conversion, just put what time you want me to call Eastern time, and if I can, I'll call you then. So again, go up here to the homepage or the Spy Money. This will get you all started. And let's end this on this way. Let's look at this way. $42,450 right there. If I made that every day, 252 trading days, it'd be $9.6 million. So a really good deal. Have any questions, let me know. Be happy to help you. You guys have a great weekend. And if you need me, I'll be around. Later.